sitting just barely above the power line where I'm at right now. Yeah. They don't have to go very high because you got to see them and they can see the place very tiny.
Yeah, but I'm seeing this one right here.
You are? Above which power line is he? Can you flip the screen out? Flip the screen out so we can watch it.
No. So you can get a better view. It's more difficult to do that with the screen on.
Well, above which power line
not.
is it?
It's just below one of them now, from what I can see.
Below which one?
I don't know which one is one of the middle ones. I got it.
What did you do? Good. Don't lose sight of him, dude.
Don't worry. He's a really fucking small dot right now. I can actually barely see him fucking into the binoculars. Oh my god. It's so hard to keep control of.
Yeah, because he's just a little dot, but I assure you.
No, he's zipping back and forth really fucking quick, dude.
Yeah,
where is he?
For how far away he is,
No, we're twitching.
We're twitching. You're just looking at the star and seeing its twinkling lights?
It's a helicopter. It's not really moving though. Is it? So you were saying it was a star the whole time?